Using index match, let's find the price of each of these items in my table and the quantity that is left. Assuming this is a live file in an organization. I want to find using index match equal to index price. This table is already structured. So I'm going to call up the name of the table. On price, we're finding this on price. Close the brackets, then match. What are we matching? This item that will be inputted here in what column? This is the name in a retail table. Going to find the product price, product name, then close this, comma, zero. This is it. So here I'm going to enter any of these items. Let me put pen. This is the price for pen. Assuming that, oh, I want to buy Fanta, I don't know the price. So what I'll quickly come here and type Fanta, and the price is here. I want to buy price for the bread. I'll put bread here, and this is it. This is how you're going to check your prices. Same for quantity. So I'm going to put index under retail table colon quantity. I close the bracket, comma, match it with the name that will be entered here. I'm not sure. I don't know. Match with the name that will be entered here, comma, inside the retail table colon name, product name, then close this, comma, zero, then I close my quotations. This is it. So let's enter the name. Let me put egg. Let me know how many quantity of eggs I have left. It's telling me 12. Let me put tissue 19. Awesome. Soap. Here. Soap. Awesome. This is wonderful. Can you see how you can um implement this and you'll be happy? Thank you, and I know you have enjoyed this. Promise me you're going to implement it and give me your feedback in the comment section. Like and follow for more. Thanks for watching to the end. Bye.